Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I shall get to it. So this is sketch 1 for this morning. I sometimes find where it's first thing in the morning and I don't know, it's because it's a new topic, it's still a new topic because this is the third day that I'm doing it, third or fourth day now, and it's still a relatively new one, so I tend to find that the first one for a new topic isn't the best compared to that was the last one from yesterday. And yeah, it's a learning progress. I done these in about 3 minutes and utilising the usual geometric and gestural methods and using the 2-point perspective approach. Obviously that's a little bit too long. It's, yeah, and I'll come back to it and I know I will get there. I'm just trying to be raw and as transparent as possible to show you that with these learning tools you can get good results. And if you have a look at my portraits, you can see the difference between 6 months ago to 3 months ago to a week ago. So yeah, you'll see the big difference, and this is the first stage of the process for this topic. So I will keep going and I shall see you next time.